The engineers at REL relentlessly pursue the goal of delivering the most robust overhead wash booth and inspection lamps available. All Profusion lamps are IP68 rated, which means they withstand a 30-minute immersion at 1.5 meters depth in water, including the cord and power supply. But at REL, we don't just send our lamps out and get our rating. As an ISO 9001 certified organization, we also perform our own in-house testing and document the results. The engineered housing is sealed by chemical and abrasion-resistant Viton O-rings. We sweat the details, so you can rely on REL in production, ensuring your throughput is not hindered by a lamp that breaks when dropped, dunked, or smashed into. Get the lamps you can rely on by a company that stands behind its products. Get REL.